And hello, Angelica. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Come here, Toby. Come here, Toby. Come, sit here. Sit there. Thank you, Toby. Stay. Come here, Watson. Come here, Watson. Sit here. Right here, Watson. Right here, Watson. It's okay, Watson. Angelica. Hi, Merry Christmas, everyone. This is Watson. This is Angelica, and that is Toby. Toby, Papa, what happened with Toby? We had to reprimand Toby because we sat him all down and he ran away all over the house. And what happens is that now he knows we have the present, so he'll open any present. So, okay, here Watson. Hi, Watson, Merry Christmas. So here's the video, the Christmas video for you guys. Here, Angelica. Here, Toby, Papa.
Here, Toby.
Toby, now what's yours?
Here, Toby.
This is Angelica. Here, Mama. Here, Angelica. Good job, Watson.
Mira. Aquí, Toby, mira.
Wow, Merry Christmas and their outfits. Thank you, Mary. They're perfect. Absolutely perfect. Mama, you want to open yours up there? Here, Watson. Here, Watson. Ven, Mama. Look. A baby, Angelica.
Here, Toby. Hello.
A baby.
They're not interested in another country.
Here,
He doesn't
Watson.
want
Come
those.
on. Come on,
Mira.
Watson. Look, Watson.
I wonder what's in there, Toby.
Oh, Watson.
Mama, you didn't bring it back for the baby?
No, I'll get it one more. More? Here, more? Look, you have something in here.
They are Toby.
It's okay, it's okay. Here, what's up? Another toy? Angelica, you want to open more? Here, Angelica. That's for Angelica. What's up? That was for Angelica. What's up? Here, Angelica. Here, what's up? Here, what's up? Look, for you. You're gonna open Angelica.
What's that?
Here, Angelica.
Mira, Toby. No.
Here, what's up? Here, what's up?
No, Toby. Toby.
Toby, all your gifts are over there. They're over there, all of you.
Here, open.
Here,
Mira,
Here,
Toby.
what's
Open it.
up?
What's in there?
Mama, can I
Oh,
help
you
you?
put a lot of tape on this thing.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Toby.
Here, mommy.
Toby, here. No, that's Angelica, Toby.
What's up? You want more? Here, what's up?
Mira,
For
Toby.
you. Toby, look over there.
Ven, for you. Get it out. Oh, more clothes.
Oh, wow, for the house in the woods. Nice pants. Look.
Mira,
Toby,
Toby.
you have over there, Toby.
Toby, mira.
Wow.
Okay, more. Here.
Nice.
No, that's Angelica, Toby.
Mama, can I help you?
Mira.
Here, mommy,
Aquí.
ven.
Esa es Angelica, ven.
Here, mommy.
Mira, aquí, mira. Aquí, mira, come close. No quiere.
Mama, look how
Okay.
baby.
Here, Toby. What's that? Oh, look at that.
Wow, Toby. Toby, that's it? You open all of yours?
Nothing to you, huh?
No. Toby, come back.
Come back.
Come back here. Come
Come
back
back.
here. Come back. Good
Thank
boy.
you.
Do you want to help open Angelica's? Angelica, you want to open another one? Here, mommy. Here, mama. Here.
Daisy, you trying to open gift too? And Daisy.
Here, mama. Here, Watson. Look, that's a toy. Oh, I have more toys for whomever open all their toys faster. I mean, all their gifts. Here, Watson.
Toby's done.
Yeah, I have more. This is for the three of them. This is for the three of you. You get to open it, Toby, because you're the fastest. And you like to open gifts, Russell, so that's for you. Look, Angelica, more. Angelica got outfits. And Angelica has another toy here. More toys.
October left. Esa es tu que tu padre me. Too much noise.
Angelica, Angelica, you like that? Is that pretty, Mama? Is that for the house in the woods when it's cold? Look, another one. Another one.
What's that, Tony?
Wow, Toby, you got a ball. You get to play with baby Easton. Don't bite it. Don't bite it. Look. Look. Yay. Toby, catch.
Oh.
Toby, catch.
What do you do?
Catch. Here.
Rose is afraid of balls.
Don't bite it, Toby. Here, what's up? Oh, no, this is Angelica. Here, Mama. Another one, Mama, for you. Here, Russell. Oh, yeah, he opened. Here, Russell, another one for you. Here. Here, Russell.
Sorry.
Wow, Russell. Nice pants. Outfits.
Sorry.
Wow, Russell. Russell, you have another one here.
Daisy, you eating papers there now?
Toby, where's the other one? Oh, this one. Here, Toby, open this one. This is for the three of you.
I don't know if you hear her too in the background. He's
Look
complaining.
at her
over
looking
there.
at the outfits. Well, thank you, everyone. You know, this Christmas is a little bit more complicated because we have baby Easton and baby Riley's still little. But now with baby Easton, we have 4 toddlers to take care of because these guys need as much attention as a toddler for everything they do. So we're trying to open some of their gifts before the kids get here. What is that? Oh, that's for your toys when you take a bath. Wow, that's for the toys. Don't bite it. Don't bite it. Sorry. Sorry, Toby. Come here, Toby. Come here. Do you want to open any more? Look. Help Russell. Russell, you want to open this one? Angelica.
Yeah.
He's looking for cashews in my pocket. Nothing? Nothing? He thinks I have cashews in my pocket. Okay, let me see if I have some cashews here. Wait. I got something
Really?
else. Wait, I got something else. Angelica, you want to open? Papa, you want to give them their booties?
There you go, Mama.
Here, Angelica.
No.
Look, Angelica, Mama. There you go. Look, you like it? Okay, let me get everybody's booties.
Te llamo ahora para no terminar aquí, están grabando a los momitos. Dale.
Maybe you get lucky and you find a cashew in here. Angelica, come back. Come here, Angelica. What's up? Want to look in there? This is Angelica. This is Toby. Here, Papa. They have a few things in there.
Yeah.
And they each have 2 cashews in there. Come, Angelica, ven.
Ahí.
Ven, mami, con mamá. Ven.
Mira, what's in there?
Look, Mama. Look. Look.
Saca.
Wow. Oh, what's so fun, that cashew?
Hey, está bien para cashew. Hey, está bien para cashew.
Here, look, toys. And toys. And look, Angelica. Woo! Wow! Merry Christmas, Russell, you have another one in there? Look in there. You think you have another one? There was 2 for all of them. Maybe you got the 2 of them? Look, he's looking into Angelica's. Oh, he got the 2 already. You got your 2 all right. That's it?
Yummy! There's no more, Toby?
It was 2 for each. So Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you're enjoying your Christmas. And these are our babies opening their gifts. And we're waiting for baby Riley and baby Easton. But we wanted to open the gifts with them because they need so much attention.
No, they don't.
They don't? You think?
They're good monkeys.
They're precious babies. Good job, babies. You got a lot of toys. Angelica, let's show your outfit, mami. Ven acá. Ven aquí, ven. Ven acá, mama. Ven. Ven. Papa's gonna get you. Nobody's gonna get you. With those bell-bottom
Hey!
pants. You look so cute, mama. Did you see this? Did you see this? Did you open yours, Toby? Look. Look how cool that is. Wow. Look how cool. Are you looking for cashews? Look, Angelica. Do you want your baby? Look at this baby. Oh, we have to take him out. It's got tie wraps. Look with a passy. Your baby has a passy, Angelica. Look. Like baby Easton. Aww. Oh, another one without opening. Go, Toby, go. Break it. Nice pants. Nice pants, princess. What do you think? What's up? You like fighting now? Yeah, we opened everything. Look.
That's
more.
a lot of gifts.
Look, Mama. Look, Mama. How cute with those pants. This is Angelica. That's a lot of gifts, you think? Look. Well, thank you everyone for watching our video, for spending Christmas with us. A little bit of your Christmas with us. This is Toby, Russell, Angelica opening their gifts. And we really appreciate you guys. So thank you all for watching and see you on the next one. Bye, Papa.
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Toby, look, where's the ball? Let me see the ball. Here, Toby. Come on, Toby. Toby, you paying attention? Here, catch. Woo! Good job, Toby. Let me see the ball. Give me the ball.
Tírese la mamá, Toby.
Give me the ball.
Tírese la mamá, Toby.
Right here. Look. Give me the ball.
Tírese la mamá.
Give me. Yes, Toby. Here, catch. 1, 2, catch, Toby. Ball. Good job. Yes.
Yay.
Again, more. Catch, Toby.
Y para aquellos que hablan español,
Good job.
muchos regalos a los niños.
Sí, las navidades, feliz Navidad a todos que no hablamos en español en el video, y este es el video después del video. Muchas felicidades, este es Toby, Russell, Angelica viendo sus regalos en Navidad, y gracias por acompañarnos. Toby, come back. Here, catch, Toby. Catch. 1, 2, 3, catch. me lo
Oh my
pongo.
god! Oh, I thought it broke.
Ven, papá, sit right here. Marimar, Riley.
Sorry.
Look, baby. Look, baby, can we take a family picture? Christmas pictures.
Josh and George are gonna have to stand.
No, right here, in front of you guys. Baby,
Yeah.
what's up?
And cover us?
Ven, Russell.
No, right here. Look.
Right here, fine.
Merry Christmas. We have
Thank
all the
you for
monkeys.
that.
Look
Oh,
here.
shit.
Mikey.
Here,
Angelica.
can you put this box on?
Come here, Mikey. Ven aquí. Come
Oh.
here. With your long ass hands. Ven,
Check it out.
Angelica.
We should put Instagram versus reality. The picture and then the video.
Becky. Check it out.
Alright, keep going.
Oh, Mikey.
Oh my god, this
She's dramatic. Okay, so Merry Christmas, everybody.
Wait, but you're gonna get Angelica!
Angelica is here,
Angelica's in.
and Moose is here,
And Russ is
Moose
there.
is here.
Are you doing a video or a picture?
Video.
Yeah, but you have to do a picture. Come here, baby.
Go ahead.
And what's up?
He's like,
Ven, 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 ven.
good job. Come here.
There you go.
Hey, Toby.
Smile.
There she is. Look, he's there.
Yay! Smile
Merry
for a
Christmas.
picture.
Cheese.
Cheese.
There
Thank
goes
you.
for.
Done. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Are you doing caca?
Uh-oh.